Hi, this is Dr. Aman Bhosle of the Heart to Heart Counseling Center. We are well into the second year of the coronavirus-induced global pandemic. However, the show must go on. Here's a short video that tells you a little bit about how the participants of my Applied Transactional Analysis online program felt about their experience as learners, as students, and most importantly as co-travelers. We spend such a major part of our life trying to figure out why we get treated a certain way, why we think a certain way, why we speak a certain way, why do we get pushed around, why are we stuck in these repetitive patterns. TA attempts to give you all the answers to these questions, and ever since the entire world went online, we've been reaching out to people from all over India and even internationally. So sit back and enjoy what they have to share with you about their experience as students on this global online learning platform that we are running and chaperoning at the Heart to Heart Counseling Center.
I'm always used to classroom environment and reading books. So I was really scared to take up TA this time because I was like, I don't want to, I can't anymore. But I am so happy that I actually took up TA and it has been such an amazing journey.
क्या ये Kharkov और REBT जैसा ही होगा, कैसा होगा, क्या होगा, but it's like a deep ocean. And there are so many things I have learned.
It's like a phenomenal course. After doing Kharkov and REBT, I had done such an in-depth analysis and there were so many questions, and I feel TA is like the culmination and the answer to all of that.
I came across TA and the way that it's being actually taught in such a practical manner, in the way that it's so easy to grasp.
What I find amazing is the analysis, the analytical aspect.
I find it highly empowering and so interesting. All sessions are so beautifully explained and presented in a very understandable and simple manner.
Its simplicity and with its logic, and of course the analysis and the vastness, the depth of it has been a very, very rich learning for me.
This course has not just influenced one person of the family. This has influenced almost everyone in the family.
It is so wonderful to know how my mind is working and my relationships are working.
I love the way you all plan your classes, the way you all have planned it so strategically. I mean, you use psychology even over there, and it's absolutely amazing.
All of you put together, the whole family has influenced us incredibly.
I come from a family of doctors and I've seen people being helped by them, and just seeing a family, the Bhosle family, do the same without a God complex or without a I plus U minus attribute in any way, that is extremely inspiring.
Heart to Heart always encourages us that it's not just learning. You have to have the application of these concepts.
I actually never really thought, that online class would be so much of fun.
Online classes are like a blessing in this period of quarantine.
TA has been pretty much like reaching Zen.
TA classes, I feel, it seems to me like a play to me, along with a lot of serious learning.
From awareness moving towards the awakening.
Like every HTH journey that I've had, this is another jump in my own self-growth journey. So thank you so much for that.
We are thinking that I'm supposed to change. Everything is in here.
Psychology should be something that should be induced in schools because there's so much awareness, and Dr. Aman said how to process emotions, stress, etc. is not taught in schools.
Everybody wants to know and learn and understand what's going on inside of me.
For me, in fact, it was always psychology was so different from analysis, and analysis in my head was always in terms of maths and numbers and not so much related to anything that is, as we say in the olden days, arts focused like history and psychology. But the analytical aspect that this training has brought, into my head has made me see life so differently. I feel till date I was just, drifting through my life.
I am from a psych background, so before this I had heard of TA, I had read a bit about it, and it was very intimidating. It sounded like something very like really heavy and analytical, which it is of course, but the way Dr. Aman has presented it, it's with all the pop culture references, all that fear completely went away. Like I remember the first class, I was so scared. I was like, oh my God, am I going to be able to grasp this? Am I going to be able to understand and apply this to my therapy, So on one hand, I was excited but very scared, and then because of the really engaging way, and I don't know, I'm not just saying because I'm young and I get all the pop culture references. So for me, that was an added bonus. And of course, he's very eloquent.
Dr. Aman, he has been an amazing communicator, especially his way of teaching. The concepts are very clear and they're like crystal transparent.
I was a little bit intimidated, actually quite intimidated, that this word transaction analysis itself seemed so huge, and whatever I read about it, it's a very serious theory and has to be very in-depth. But the way Dr. Aman has made it simple, logical, and still the in-depth analysis is still there.
Dr. Aman, he addresses all the learning styles of an individual, which is actually the underlining part of his delivery.
Dr. Aman is a fabulous trainer. My journey with Dr. Aman is like training under Karthikeya or Ganesha. It's like that. It's so eternal.
My son till now, he used to not be able to relate to, my things. If I would say, oh, aapka fir se chala shuru ho gaya, counseling ki things and all. Because I keep revising with him. And now when I've told him that, Prabir, you are going to Flame and Dr. Aman is from Flame. And the way he says nonsense. So now he's more eager to know, acha, aaj kya sikhaya,
Had it not been for Dr. Aman's way of teaching, the unconventional way of, showing us movies and ads, I don't think I'd have been able to even understand ego states properly. His style of teaching keeps me so engrossed.
The way Dr. Aman teaches, it is amazing, and I really wish all colleges have teachers like him.
I think the content, the examples, the AVs,
it makes learning so simple.
It makes things very absorbable.
I was just wondering that such a young man, and how is he going to teach? Studying the subject, when you do psychology, you study subject, you start practicing. It's a different thing. But writing a book, being the author of the main book which is being taught, and then teaching, I was like, it's a different spectrum altogether. And so young, and to be able to do something so intense, such an intense subject.
Dr. Aman sounds like such a, I don't know who, but now I realize that I have my prejudices, that you need to be old to be wise or serious, and he can say the funniest things with the most somber face, and he's laughing and then it's like a slap in your face, the most profound thing. So he's like a bag of surprises.
I think that's the way Aman is, probably even at home.
Dr. Aman is way too different.
Dr. Aman is, in a new age kind of way.
Had it not been Dr. Aman's style of teaching, I think it would have been very difficult for me to grasp.
I started way back, I think in 2002 or something, 2003. And I remember I met Dr. Aman when I was in your REBT class, and I thought, okay, this is, Dr. Meenu and Dr. Rajan's kid. I was very intrigued with his sketching, and, I spoke to him a couple of words or something. But he's like a surprise packet. I did not expect this. He's like even gone beyond, my expectations of, he keeps you engaged with his humor, sarcasm, and I love the way he draws from his own personal experiences, that it makes it so relatable. I was apprehensive, who's this kid who's going to teach me? But he is superb. He's an amazing speaker and a teacher.
Sometimes you have that as a student, your professor is going on, and you're like, oh my God, this guy doesn't know anything. But it's very, very clear that he knows the material. So there's a trust factor that comes, that I trust what he's telling me because he knows it in and out. He knows it so well,
I also find Dr. Aman's style of training very amazing.
I think ऐसे teachers अगर पूरे world को मिल जाए ना, तो बच्चे कहाँ के कहाँ पहुँच जाएंगे.
Dr. Aman really makes it very easy.
Honestly, I am loving TA, okay, because I think Dr. Aman is brilliant and he's so much fun. I mean, the concepts are quite heavy. I mean, the day I heard about ego states and all these things, it was, I was like, how am I going to deal with all this? But it's, made to understand in a very simple and a fun way. Very pictorial, and I am a person who really gets to visual learning.
So for the first time when I heard Dr. Aman speaking was when my relative in Bombay, Pinky Bajaj, she started her Instagram live sessions last year, I guess. So she started, she had a conversation, she had a session with Dr. Aman, I guess that was third or fourth session. And I remember after the session, I was mesmerized, by the way he spoke. And I remember calling her up and telling her that, who's this man? You've never told me about him, and how amazing he's teaching and all of that.
Aman is really an excellent teacher. He's a perfect example of fun with learning.
He's very refreshing. The way Dr. Aman teaches us is so wonderful.
His hard work and immense efforts done by Dr. Aman is fab job.
3 hours of continuous lecture gets difficult, but then Dr. Aman makes it just too beautiful. I mean, I'm absolutely,
Dr. Aman Bhosle has really done a fantastic job by, simplifying it, and from what I understand is his learning was over the years. But to teach something which is not the easiest thing to do, but to just put it in this 2 months and yet make me feel that everything is covered with simplicity and with really beautiful examples, sends me home feeling very wholesome, and for that I am really very thankful, because for the number of years that he has spent studying and the way he's filtered and the way he teaches and the way he makes it so fun, it's engrossing. But at the same time, I go home saying that he's not compromised on anything that he's put so many years in studying. And that for me has been amazing.
He is, imparting years of work in just almost 1.5 months. But it is so complete.
I will just sit, watch him. I think he'll catch everyone's bullshit so well.
He's extremely knowledgeable, flexible, such a complex subject, Dr. Aman, that you're making it so easy for us.
I think that's the beauty of an experienced and amazing teacher coming down to our level and inculcating all the complex concepts, and it shows his in-depth knowledge.
Dr. Aman's storytelling is so powerful, so impactful that it keeps us engaged.
Each of us are very lucky to have the opportunity to learn, but even luckier to learn from the best.
Feels like, somewhere the teachers, the guides come to you at the right time. And thank you so much for doing this for common people, because common sense is so uncommon these days.
And thank you, Aman, for writing a book which is so easy to understand.
Being a teacher myself, I know how much hard work he's put into that. But then they are so relatable that when I read the chapters, it immediately runs in my mind.
I'm very impressed with the way Aman sir has written the book. I think hats off to him for taking up such a topic like TA, which can be quite complicated. I started in between actually reading this book, I Am Okay, You're Okay, and I just begun reading it, and after reading the first 20 pages, I immediately wrote to Rajan sir. I said, the way Aman sir has written the book is so impressive because it's so explicit in nature. I mean, even a layman can understand it. It's highly impressive. I love his teaching style. He uses his background of advertising so well, and his whole personality comes out in every session.
I wanted to say that the book is exceptional.
It's awareness taken to a different level completely.
He makes the book come to life. It's an amazing book, and he simplifies it so beautifully. The content just flows into each other.
Unbelievable the amount of hard work that's gone in.
And it's organized really well. Therefore, he can reach his mixed audience.
He's a wonderful orator. I think he has got a fab vocabulary.
is really something that I'm amazed with. And I think we all have benefited from his movie and documentary making exposure.
I truly, genuinely mean it when I say that Dr. Aman has been one of the most wonderful trainers.
Dr. Aman is not a trainer. I call him a brainer.
I kind of bought this, on TA course on Udemy with some British guy, and it was insufferable. He was just in the typical British accent, and that's how it's done. Just kill me, man. Just kill me.
I've also, done TA before with a different format, and it was, I don't remember anything honestly.
So I loved the way Aman taught.
My mind was blown.
Because he has simplified the whole process of human being and understanding them. It has enhanced my life, my relationship, and myself.
If I have to put one word for Dr. Aman, I think he's a scrum master. The scrum master who ensures that the team, is learning the process and practicing the process to achieve a common goal of I plus U plus.
He is awesome for me. And sir, मैं भी एक टीचर हूँ, मगर आप जिस इनोवेटिव वे से पढ़ाते हैं, आई एम ट्राइंग कि मुझे मेरे बच्चों को ऐसा पढ़ाना है ताकि इतना इंटरेस्ट उनमें भी आना चाहिए.
So thank you, Aman, for doing this for us, taking that extra effort, for finding out so many ways to keep us engrossed in this very, very, power-packed subject, that it is helping me learn this better and also understand it in its depth.
And when I see Dr. Aman, I'm like, whoa, that is effective living,
I think on Dr. Aman, he's, of course, seems like a very fun, crazy guy,
TA, I have tried to read in the past, is a very concept-heavy subject. And the way he explains all of it with movie references, with show references, with images, I mean, that takes some immense amount of thinking. And I'm sure the presentation at the face of it all looks very simple to all of us. But the amount of work that would have probably gone into making each slide with the color combinations, with every specific full stop and an exclamation mark, that I think is the hallmark of an excellent teacher and an excellent mentor. And I think hats off to him for doing what he does.
Dr. Aman is so articulate. It's amazing how sometimes I just want to go to the bathroom, but I'm just sitting because I don't want to miss anything.
I'm being aware of so many things, that this is my Dr. Aman, who is my Scrum Master and Scrum Master for all of us. And this is us, the students, with a common goal for I plus U plus.
Way he teaches, I'm happy with that. Making it so simple that you don't really have to write down is an approach that resonates with me. I always believe in that.
Getting an insight into ourselves is our job, but facilitating it in such a beautiful manner, I think that stands out. So Dr. Aman, you're doing such a good job. Your perseverance shows through the way you present everything. And it's amazing how you can keep talking for 2.5 hours and still have some energy by the end of it to answer questions, to engage in conversation.
He's an inspiration.
Aman, you're a great teacher. You have that subtle humor, and very intelligent humor that you use. So it takes little time to kind of catch up on it. But when we do understand, it's really funny.
Aman sir is amazing. His teaching style, it took me time to, understand. But later on, it was just so easy because TA is vast.
Absolutely smashing content. We don't even realize how much we download every session and go back, and everything is still so relatable and so easy to apply. I never thought when we were starting the TA course that these 2.5 hours are going to be so awaited every alternate day.
He is like the Shah Rukh Khan of Mohabbatein.
Jackass. Listening to him is a bliss. He is one man you can listen to. He can keep all the ladies engaged listening to him with the content, with the style, with the presentation.
With Aman, I just adore his humorous way of teaching things.
It is such an intense, it's such a deep topic, but the timing of the humor that he brings in, it's like he's broken all limitations. You bring in limitations
And I think I will think of Aman and I'll say, what would Aman do?
The tadka that he puts in, he has it. It actually doesn't allow us to forget the concepts when we revise the textbook, you know.
When I sit for the class, it's like I'm going to have some nice chatpata bhelpuri and, you know, and he's like, Dr. Aman is like that chatpata chutney or that, you know, pani puri ka pani.
This is for you, Dr. Aman. It's always ye dil mange more.
I thought that Dr. Aman's manner of speaking, his slides, his manner of communication, and the insights that he brings, I think he's an amazing teacher.
The connections that he forms are amazing. He's humble and he says things as they are meant to be said.
He absolutely talks to you with his own issues, you know. It's not like he's a teacher and he knows TA, so he's sitting way up.
I think he's just a phenomenal teacher.
And his teaching, the way he presents, the way he orates, the way he discusses, it just goes into you, you know. As a teacher, he's not really a teacher, he's more of a friend.
He's using his own techniques to become a better person.
Coming up with so many slides for every session is not a small job. Speaking for 3 hours continuously, we struggle to speak for 10 minutes. If we are asked to speak on some content for 10 minutes, we'll have to have so much of matter in our mind already.
His training style is absolutely contemporary, empowering, healing, natural, and very, very soothing. I'm able to see a lot of changes within myself. I'm able to connect with me in a more effective way.
It's a perspective which, you know, Dr. Aman has so beautifully shared with us.
The kind of freshness that he brings in the course, the way he teaches, the enthusiasm.
His creativity that he uses really appeals to me because it kind of matches what I would look for or what I would do if I was in a program like this. You know, I really think that helps. It's kind of addressing everyone's, you know, needs of how they may absorb information.
I don't think TA could be taught so effectively, so efficiently by anybody else.
And I have learned so much.
Thanks, Aman, for all your enthusiasm, your quirkiness, and your ability to connect. I'm glad I'm here learning this from you.
My gratitude towards my Dr. Meenu, Dr. Rajan, Dr. Aman, they helped me to climb.
So it's been wonderful, you know, being a part of the HTH family.
Thank you so much, Heart to Heart family. We wish to connect our family to you for their personal enrichment as well.